Ever feel like you're dragging through life no matter how much coffee you drink? You're not alone. The secret to unlocking boundless energy and a sharper mind might be simpler than you think. Hey there, sleepyheads. It's Heather, your trusty guide on this epic 30-day sleep challenge. Now, I don't know about you, but lately I've been skipping on my bedtime routine. Life happens, right? And guess what? My sleep has been paying the price. But you know what they say, you can't make gains and grow unless you sleep. That's why in week 1, we're diving headfirst into the importance of laying a rock-solid foundation for better sleep. We're talking something called sleep hygiene. Now, don't worry, it's not about scrubbing your sheets with toothpaste. It's all about the habits that make your sleep quality soar. Let's break down the key habits to implement, starting with consistent sleep schedule. This is your sleep's best friend. Going to bed and waking up at the same time every day, yes, even on the weekends, helps regulate your internal clock. No more Monday blues or Sunday snooze alarms. And speaking of a consistent routine, how about a calming bedtime routine? Whether it's reading, light stretching, a warm bath with Epsom salts and essential oils, or some soothing tunes, create a personalized routine that tells your body, it's time to wind down, buddy. Now, let's take it up a notch. Imagine infusing your bedtime routine with the power of nature. I'm talking about using a diffuser with CPTG essential oils. The gentle aroma of lavender, chamomile, cedarwood, those are oils that can create a serene atmosphere and help you drift off into a peaceful night's sleep. Now, let's address a sneaky villain in our sleep story, screen time. Blue light from devices can mess with our sleep hormones. Swap that tablet for a paper book or a podcast to relax your mind before bedtime. And then the temptations of life, caffeine and alcohol. They can disrupt your sleep. Try to limit these culprits, especially in the evening hours. Your sleep will thank you. And let's not forget our good old exercise routine. Regular physical activity is fantastic, but save the heavy workouts for the daytime. Evening sweat sessions might pump you up, but they can keep you up too. Now, let's dive into optimizing your sleep sanctuary. Your bedroom should be a sleep haven. It's got to be dark as a bat cave. Get those blackout curtains, sleep masks, and let's say no to those sneaky bedroom light leaks. Next up, we're keeping it cool, literally. The ideal sleep temperature is a bit on a cooler side, so adjust it with the thermostats, layering those blankets, or even using a fan if you're feeling fancy. Peace and quiet, the sound of sleep. Minimize external noise with earplugs, white noise machines, or room darkening curtains. Your sleep oasis should be as serene as a spa day. Set up your diffuser with your favorite blend. And last but not least, the comfort factor. Invest in a comfy mattress, supportive pillows, and breathable bedding. Make your sleep space a cloud of coziness. There you have it, folks. The secrets of sleep hygiene and how to lay a strong foundation for better sleep. It's time to put these tips into action and transform your nights. And hey, before we wrap this up, don't forget to download my free ebook packed with even more sleep wisdom. You'll find the link to that in the description. And if you've enjoyed this video and you want some more sleep enhancing goodness, you know what to do. Subscribe, like, and share. Thank you for joining me on this sleep adventure, and I'll see you in week 2 for some natural sleep helpers. Until then, sweet dreams and good night.